Aruba, maneira como nós avisa, nós estamos aqui na Cartagena e depois de pouquinho mais que 3 horas, Diederik chega na finish line com o ambiente, o público e naturalmente nós queremos conversar com ele, passar com a bike com Esaki. Diederik, com a bike com o primeiro race.
One word, Mark, warm. Hopi, calor. No, it went really well. Like the times that I placed, it was better than I expected. So it took me like 35 minutes for a swim, 1.5 kilometers swimming. The bike was very nice, it was a nice route. We left the city, we basically went into the direction of Cartagena. 40 kilometers in total, went very nice. Luckily no hills, but still super warm. And then we came back here in Cartagena and then we had a big run through all these little streets. Super calor. And I literally went from water station to water station and through a lot of everything that was liquid. I was placing it on my head, but it went good.
Okay, let's go back a little bit to the first part, which was the swimming. You were a little bit hesitant because the water is completely dark and it's not really a water where normally people swim in. How did that go?
Yeah, it was not Aruba. So it's like basically the harbor of the city. And yeah, you don't see anything. So you're wearing your glasses, you're looking down, but you can't see even a hand in front of your eyes. So I had to get used to it. Sometimes I smelled some stuff as well that I didn't really want to smell, but it went good.
Okay. Then you got out of the water, you crossed the street, you went to the transition station, you got on the bike. Tell us a little bit about how did that go?
Yeah, so there's like a transition station where you place your stuff, your bike, your bag. You run out of the water, quickly you place your shoes on, grab your bike, put your helmet on, and then you jump on the bike and you go to do the next thing, which is the biking.
I saw some of the athletes had a little bit trouble with the moment when you're allowed to get on the bike. They were getting on the bike too early.
Yeah, that's correct. So there are basically strict rules. So basically before you take the bike, you already have to place your hat on. And there are like lines and you cannot go on the bike before the line. Otherwise you can get disqualified for that. And you have to follow these rules.
Inside of these walls, you guys ran 10 kilometers. I believe it was a loop twice. Yeah. But indeed, it felt really hot. But I still see that a lot of people were on the side cheering you guys on. How was that feeling?
Yeah, like the atmosphere is amazing here. So like everyone is like, vamos, vamos, amigo, vamos, Aruba, Aruba. So that was really nice.
Yeah. And how was the feeling when you turned the curve and you saw the finish?
Amazing. They call it the magic carpet. So until the magic carpet, it's super tough. But as soon as you get on the magic carpet, yeah, you feel really good and everyone's supporting you and very nice.
Awesome. So this is the first time you're doing this. The big question. Are you going to repeat it or is it one experience and done?
No, I will repeat. Yeah? I will go for the bigger one. Okay. So there are different Ironmans. So this is the 5150 and next year I will do the larger one.
Okay. Awesome. Anybody that you want to thank for supporting you?
Of course, everyone that's supporting me. I got lots and lots of messages from a lot of people from Aruba. So thank you all for the messages. It really helped me. And of course my trainer Mario Noia, he supported me, gave me a lot of tips and tricks, and without him I wasn't able to do this.
Bom, Aruba sila aqui naturalmente nós apresentamos Diederik, 24horas.com tem naturalmente rond mundo onde tem ação e assim nós apresentamos naturalmente cobertura de tremenda competência aqui na Cartagena.